How do I capture Sigint in Python? I'm working on a Python script that starts several processes and database connections. Every now and then I want to kill the script with a Ctrl+C signal, and I'd like to do some cleanup. In Perl I do this. How do I do the analog of this in Python?
Register your handler with signal.signal like this. Code adapted from here. More documentation on Signal can be found here.
You can handle Ctrl+C by catching the keyboard interrupt exception. You can implement any cleanup code in the exception handler.
You can treat it like an exception, keyboard interrupt, like any other. Make a new file and run it from your shell with the following contents to see what I mean.
And is a context manager. To use. Nested handlers. From here, this URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.